Tanzania is a land where nature paints its greatest masterpieces. From golden savannas filled with wildlife to turquoise islands shimmering in the Indian Ocean here, every sunrise brings adventure, and every sunset glows with African warmth. It is a country of culture, history, and breathtaking landscapes. Today, we explore the wonders that make Tanzania a treasure of East Africa, a journey into pure, natural beauty. Fan fact about Tanzania. Tanzania is home to the Great Migration, the world's largest animal movement, where over 1.5 million wildebeest travel across the Serengeti every year. It also hosts Africa's tallest peak, Mount Kilimanjaro, and some of the continent's most pristine islands. With over 120 ethnic groups, the country is a cultural mosaic, unlike any other place where wildlife, oceans, and heritage unite. Best places to visit in Tanzania. Number 1. Zanzibar. Zanzibar is a tropical paradise known for its pristine beaches, coral reefs, and rich Swahili culture. Its turquoise waters and soft white sand make it one of Africa's most beautiful island escapes. Visitors can enjoy spice tours, sunset cruises, and vibrant local markets. The island blends African, Arab, and Indian influences in a truly unique way. A dream destination for relaxation and discovery. Number 2. Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the cultural heart of Zanzibar. Its winding alleys, carved wooden doors, and ancient buildings tell stories of centuries-old trade routes. Visitors can explore historic sites, lively markets, and coastal views. The town blends African, Arab, Persian, and Indian heritage in a vibrant mix. A living museum full of charm and history. Number 3. Nakupenda Beach. Nakupenda Beach, meaning I love you, is a sandbank paradise surrounded by clear blue water. Here visitors can swim, snorkel, and relax on untouched shores. The beach disappears during high tide, making each visit feel magical. Dolphins often appear nearby, adding to the experience. It is one of Zanzibar's most romantic and peaceful escapes. Number 4. Serengeti National Park. The Serengeti is one of the world's greatest wildlife destinations, known for lions, cheetahs, elephants, and vast golden plains. Its annual Great Migration is a natural wonder unmatched anywhere else. Safari drives reward visitors with unforgettable close encounters. The landscapes shift from open savannas to rocky kopjes, a wild, powerful, and iconic African treasure. Number 5. Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro rises proudly as Africa's highest mountain, with snow-capped peaks touching the sky. Climbers explore forests, volcanic landscapes, and glaciers on their journey upward. Even from below, the mountain creates breathtaking panoramas. Kilimanjaro is a symbol of adventure and endurance, a natural giant standing above the clouds. Number 6. Pemba Island. Pemba Island is a quiet, untouched paradise north of Zanzibar. Known for its lush greenery and world-class diving, coral reefs thrive with colorful marine life, offering clear underwater visibility. The island's villages preserve traditional Swahili culture. Spices, mangroves, and peaceful beaches define its charm. A hidden treasure for those seeking tranquility. Number 7. Mafia Island. Mafia Island is famous for its calm waters, coral gardens, and protected marine park. Here, visitors can swim with whale sharks, the gentle giants of the ocean. The island offers pristine beaches, mangrove forests, and untouched nature. Life moves slowly and beautifully. A pure island escape far from the busy world. Number 8. Dar es Salaam. Dar es Salaam is Tanzania's largest city, a lively mix of culture, beaches, markets, and coastal beauty. Its waterfront promenade, museums, and local cuisine offer vibrant urban experiences. From here, travelers can explore nearby islands or board ferries to Zanzibar. The city blends modern energy with Swahili warmth. A welcoming gateway to Tanzania's wonders. Tanzania is a land where nature, culture, and adventure come together in unforgettable harmony. From vibrant islands to endless savannas, every destination tells a new story. These wonders reveal the heart of Africa, wild, beautiful, and full of life. May this journey inspire your next adventure. Until then, let Tanzania's magic stay with you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel wonders.